Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on the particular time you are seeing this video. So in this video tutorial, let's prepare okra soup my own way because I don't know how you like it. So these are my ingredients: my onion, my ogbono, my maggi, my salt, my pepper, and yes, my little okra that I'll be using to making this soup. And yes, this is my fish and stock as it's boiling. Then I'll go in with my onion and my red oil. So I'll start frying. I'll fry it, although I don't like a lot of onion in my soup, but what will I do now? So I'll go in with my ogbono because I don't know the English name for this. If you're an Igbo person, you know that you must, like, almost all Igbo love this ogbono. So I will start stirring until it gives me a dry mixture like this. You understand? So what will I do next? I'll go in with my stock first and wait for it to boil before I'll go in with my fish. Sorry, I'm not showing you all these things. That is how it will be. And mind you, I've already seasoned my stock when I was cooking my fish, so I don't think there is room for me to start adding maggi or salt again. So I'll also stir properly, and then I'll go in with my okra. Adding it bit by bit. If I add bit, I will make sure I turn it very well so that it can lap together with the ogbono. And yes, I think I'm done adding my okra. Then I'll start stirring. Make sure to stir together very well. I'll keep stirring, stir together so that it can mix together very well and it will give you this mixture. And then I'll go in with my vegetable. I'll be adding a little vegetable. I know that some of you will be saying, which kind of okra soup is this? Yes, this is not vegetable okra. This is normal okra and ogbono. Every Igbo man would like to enjoy. Like when you are eating this soup, you bite off your finger safe. So I think soup is ready, and it is the end of this vlog. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next